Hi, this is Professor Barlow. I want to show you how you can access one of our textbooks for the class, the Valencia Reader. The first place you should start is here on Atlas. From the Atlas page, upper left corner, the library box, you want to click on Search the Library. It will eventually take you here to this page. You want to go over here where it says Research Guides. Click on that, and it will bring you to this page, which is going to open up on by subject. So scroll down to English, because we are an English class. And since there are 146 guides here, you're going to have to scroll down even further, because it's alphabetical order, to get to the Valencia Reader right here. This is what it will bring you to, a Valencia Reader. The primary sections we're going to be using this semester will be short stories, poetry, and criticisms. So, for example, your first reading assignment, I want you to read a short story entitled A&P by John Updike. So go to short stories. Scroll down a little bit. You'll see U for Updike, the author's name. And here it is, John Updike, A&P. Click on this, and it will take you to the actual short story. You can read it on the screen, or print it out, read a hard copy, download it, whichever works best for you. I want to make sure you see a particular feature that's really helpful, and that's this, the little upside down quotation marks with the word cite. If you click on that, it takes you here. It will show you the MLA citation for a works cited entry on this story. Very helpful if you choose to write your literary analysis on this particular story. So read the story. I will also, in addition to stories, be asking you to read select pieces of criticism about the stories. So click on here. You will go once again to Updike, and you'll see there are 4 things listed for Mr. Updike. I'm going to assign just one, the first one, short stories for students. So you will come here. I will also limit what you have to read on this. If you look over here to the right, you will see article contents. I will tell you which sections I want you to read, usually author biography, characters, theme, style, maybe some of the others. You're welcome to read it all, of course, but the portions that will be on the quiz, I will let you know. So, the Valencia Reader. Again, we will be using short stories, poetry, criticism, but you're welcome to use any of this other material. There's a very helpful video on how to use the Valencia Reader, if my video is not enough. There's also a section on writing the literary analysis essay, on MLA, evaluating websites, plagiarism, library resources, all kinds of great information that you're welcome to use. Once again, this is one of our 2 textbooks for the course. If you have any questions or issues, get in touch with me, and I will see you here. Oh, I hope I did.